So I'm going to need all of you to hang in there with me on this video, just because I haven't quite figured out my mic and all of the sounds that it picks up and how to clarify. So it would seem that Christmas came to my house early this year, because not only did I get my mic, but I also got my subscription box. So and this is the Vegan Conscious Box subscription box. And this is just, I believe, the list of contents, which I will take a look at later. Apparently, I got these little luggage cutouts in case I go anywhere. I can tie these to my luggage. I don't necessarily think that they would hold up very well, but it is a very nice gesture. So first, I guess I'm going to remove this. And this is Barney butter, almond butter, and it is smooth and not chunky. And this is one of my favorite things. I do really enjoy nut butters, but almond is my favorite. And in this one little pack, there is 90 calories. And it is kosher, certified vegan, certified gluten-free, non-GMO verified. And next we have natural shampoo and body wash, tear-free and hypoallergenic and completely free of toxins, an orange smoothie. And it says that it is suitable for newborns, children, and adults, and safe for everyday use. And next we have Green Vibrance Junior for toddlers and tweens. And this is what it looks like. Oops. And it says that the directions are: once a day, as a dietary supplement, mix Green Vibrance Junior into 8 ounces of your child's favorite beverage or mix in apple juice. or applesauce, I'm sorry. Anytime is a great time for Green Vibrant Junior. And this is also gluten-free. For those of you who know what gluten is, because I do not. It's a wheat derivative, right? What appears to be one of my favorite things that I'm very, very excited about. Java Love Organic Coffee. I am very much a coffee lover, and everyone has something different to say about coffee, pros versus cons. It's good for you, it's bad for you. I don't care what it is. I need it to survive. And of course it is USDA certified organic. I'm so excited for that. You guys have no idea. I'm gonna move my water so I don't kick it over. Really, oh my gosh, I've been so clumsy the past few days. I made a green smoothie, and I brought it with me. Yeah, I just brought it with me. Don't judge. I brought it with me into the bathroom because I was getting ready for bed, and I managed to knock it off the counter, and it literally went all up the walls, all over the floor, all of the mirrors, almost to the ceiling. Okay, and now we have organic pumpkin, gourmet flavor, farmer's market. Now, I'm going to be honest with all of you, a lot of people really love pumpkin and pumpkin flavors. I am not one of those people. I think that pumpkins are best left carved. But if you are one of those people, then that is awesome for you. If I can't find anything to do with this, then maybe I'll send it to one of you. And of course, is non-GMO, USDA certified organic. As I'm sure everything else in this box is. So we have some utensils here. I don't really know what this is. Let's have a look. Let's see. Bio-derived picnic kits utensil set. This bio-based microwavable set is a great example of the sort of eco-friendly picnicware that you can get at the bio-derived picnic kit, or in the bio-derived picnic kit. Well, that's cool. This is Firming Silk Concentrate Anti-Aging by Own Skin Health. You can see there's a little sample pack on the back. And we also have a lifting eye cream. Also, a small sample on the back. And last, we have Refining Moisture Night Cream. I've been using a lot of different things on my face lately, just to try to figure out what works best for me, so that's pretty exciting for me. And this looks like some sort of little snack. So let's take a look at this. Sesame Snaps. Sesame seeds, glucose syrup, and sugar. And they just look like that. Made in Poland. Make sure you comment below if you're from Poland. Oh, these look like fun. I don't know if I should try one or not. I'm kind of curious, but I don't want to ruin my appetite. And I think I'll wait. Next we have a $15 credit for urbanremedy.com. They apparently have cold pressed juice, gluten-free snacks and desserts, and ready-to-eat raw meals and salads. And I imagine that I have to spend some ridiculous odd amount of money in order to get this $15 credit, but we will see. This is a $1 off coupon on any one package of Upton's Naturals Seitan. Seitan is a vegan meat substitute. Look at that. On the back of it's good. I love old artwork like this. Maybe if it's not too expensive, I'll get some. They have traditional, ground, Italian, chorizo, and bacon. Some people don't go vegan because they don't like the taste of meat when they just cooked, and because they want to save the animals. That's what being vegan is actually all about. Let's see what these are. Is there anything else in here? I think we reached the end of our Bunches box, guys. So, finally, we have the We just have some coupons for some other things that are already in the box. One's for the coffee, and this is for the bio-derived utensils, and this is for the OWN skincare. That is in there, and I've got this awesome little envelope that I can now use, which is very exciting because it is a fantastic quality envelope and it's so good in my hands. Even though it says conscious coupons on it, I can change that and use it for something else. And this is a recycled paper greetings birthday card with a little squirrel on it. How exciting is that? Let me get this in there for you. Oh, he's so cute. And it reads, birthdays are exhausting, especially when all your friends are nuts. Happy birthday from your favorite nut. Well, I feel like there should be someone with a birthday coming up. I can't imagine that there isn't, because birthdays are happening every single day. So I will go to a very special someone, and I hope that with only a few minor difficulties, you enjoyed this video. I actually made 2 or 3 videos the other night. One I was supposed to, excuse me, one I was supposed to post today actually, and then I realized that my ceiling fan was on, and it kind of ruined all of my sound quality, and I tried fiddling with it to get the background noise out, but that did not work. So I turned my ceiling fan off, and I hope that my sound quality is a bit better, because I did a few trial runs, and yeah. So I guess I wanted to update you guys on a few things now that I have my mic. Thank you very, very much for all of those who contributed to my mic fund. You guys are amazing, and I really appreciate it. I know that a lot of you guys have been asking me to make a tattoo video showing off my tattoos and kind of explaining that, and I just kind of wanted to touch on that because one, I am recording on my webcam, so it is very difficult for me to get everything. So if I were to make the video, I don't know exactly how ASMR it would be, and I feel like it kind of defeats the purpose to make a video that's been so highly requested if it's not going to be up to par with the standards that I would like. And also, I'm kind of, I don't want to say that I'm touchy about my tattoos, but I don't like to talk about them. It's funny because they're all over my body and people ask about them all the time, but I don't really talk about any of the stories or anything behind any of them. So it's a very personal thing, and I'm just kind of running from it. But I kind of made an agreement with myself that once I hit 5,000 subscribers that I would do the tattoo video no matter what, and do my best to make it as ASMR as possible. I have a lot more tattoos than you probably think, so it'll be difficult for me to show you all of them, but I'll do my best. I think the last time that I counted, I had somewhere in the mid-30s. I do have tattoos that I forget about all the time just because I don't see them on a regular basis. So, don't be upset if I forget something. I guess you won't really know if I forget something, but yeah, I just wanted to touch base with everyone on those things because I haven't had a chance to kind of get on here and answer all of your questions. The easiest way to get a hold of me, to leave me your messages, your comments, your feedback, is probably my Facebook page. And that is my Facebook friends page, which you can find the link below. And on my banner, you will see that there is a little Facebook page, and you can just click on that and add me as a friend. If you haven't subscribed, please do, if you enjoyed anyway. And don't forget to thumbs up, give me your likes, and give me your feedback. I hope to hear from all of you soon, and thank you very, very, very much for watching this video. I hope that everyone has a good night, and a good morning, or a good afternoon. Thank you so much. And by the way, we hit 4,000 today. Thank you guys so much. I never thought that I would have 4,000 people interested in anything that I was doing ever. So, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm blushing. Okay. Thank you guys.